ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'ma be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin, aka KP, and in today's video it's going to be another watch me work. I like watching these videos. I said in my last video I found these very therapeutic, and I just thought I should upload another one. So in this particular video I'm going to be styling my Valentine's Day shoot wig, which is going to be turned into like another everyday wig anyway, but I made this particularly for my Valentine's Day shoot. So I just took an old wig and replaced the closure on it, and I decided to cut it a little bit. I think I took about maybe like 2 to 3 inches off, maybe close to 3 to 4, but I took quite a bit off, and I gave it some layers, some mini curtain bangs. What I mean by mini is not too dramatic of a curtain bang, just kind of like some face framing, I guess. I love the way this turned out, and I actually gave this a nice blowout with a round brush. Now you can achieve this with a curling iron, probably like a bigger barrel, like a 2-inch or like a 1 3/4 inch barrel, but I just did with a blowout, so I just made sure the hair was super wet and I just blew it out. I had fun making this wig and styling it, just to kind of see my vision in my head come out on my wig was pretty dope to see. I wanted something that was very effortless yet had body and layers, so that was really good to kind of mimic that on my wig. You guys know how these go. I'm not going to talk too much. This is not a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys the process of me doing this wig. Now I do have some tutorials coming, some cutting ones for real, detail cutting videos and color videos coming soon. So just be patient about that. I know you guys are still waiting on that frontal tutorial, how I make a frontal wig on a sewing machine. That is coming too, I promise. I'm just waiting for the perfect opportunity to post it. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be quiet and I'm gonna let y'all watch and just enjoy me working.
She want to, man.
Listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. Talking about it, can't just be cautious about it. I wanna hug you out, take me for a ride, but show me your outside, but know it's been a while, but I wanna hug you out. I wanna drive you crazy, pull up and tell me, baby, fucking it up like Lucy Days. You know with them but some babies, don't be better than that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Baby, and I hold up on that shit I hate waiting. Shots in the page. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just to each other like. No, I need it more just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right on time. Baby, bring it to each other right. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's mine, and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair. Come take me out this smooth glare. I be waiting on you some long. Durage up down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still saying what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is bandit. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out. Hate me. Bring my product. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Calling good business from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch. Back.
Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide. It won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up. But there's more to it, I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laughed to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more, huh? Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
And just like that, y'all, this is the final look. Super effortless. I love the curtain bangs, the little face framing. They're super cute. My photo shoot came out great. If you guys want to see that vlog, like I said, it will be listed in the description bar below. Definitely go check that and give that video a big thumbs up, as well as this video. And thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. Like, you guys are truly amazing. Words cannot explain how grateful I am for you guys. So yeah, next stop is 15. Well, I was gonna say 15, you know, 15,000, but you know, we're gonna get there one day. We're gonna get there one day. But no, 1,500 subscribers is our next stop, y'all. Again, definitely hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, y'all are amazing. Peace.
I'm